We have ample supplies of cattle in the feed yards and ample cattle to be harvested for the beef. It's just we don't have enough processing facilities that can run at full capacities now to be able to handle the volume of cattle that we need to go through them now. So it's backing up some cattle to the producer.
Texas A&M AgriLife Extension economist David Anderson says that results in prices going in different directions depending upon where you are in the food chain.
It's fair to say we've lost some demand for fed cattle because that plant is no longer buying. And so, immediately when you see a plant shut down, we get lower fed cattle prices because we've lost buyers, we've lost demand for the live animals. The other thing that happens is, those plants are buying cattle, but they're selling beef.
And the demand for beef is still there.
And so what happens then is not only do we have a reduced demand for the live animals, we've got reduced supplies for beef to consumers and actually to grocery stores and what restaurants are still open. And so what we end up with is lower fed cattle prices and higher wholesale beef prices to retail outlets.
Ranchers stand to get hit the hardest.
So the producers are one that's going to be getting squeezed more on it. The processors are going to be able to pass that along to the consumer because there is still demand for the product.
I'm Shel Winkley, looking at Central Texas agriculture from the ground up.
From the Ground Up is sponsored by Producers Cooperative, proudly serving agriculture since 1943.